Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. And so we're talking about NFIP Risk Rating 2.0, but what we're talking about is this new program going to scare more people away from buying flood insurance that are in those low-risk flood zones. You know, until this program came out, we had it memorized what the rate would be in a flood zone X. It was between that $500 and $600 mark, depending on the amount of coverage. Well, just in Alabama lately, we've been quoting all these flood zone X's to see what the difference would be. We're getting $1,500, $2,000. We've had some that are a little cheaper, so they're all over the board. So, of course, in getting these rates, it's a struggle to get people to purchase this when it comes to purchasing flood insurance on a non-required zone, even though the risk is there. Now, it's really important for property owners to understand the resource that private flood insurance still has in these areas. So just because you may have gotten a really high quote through the National Flood Insurance Program, private flood insurance may be looking at this risk differently. Because remember, NFIP and private flood insurance really have different risk rating models. And so rates are not always going to be the same, but it's important that you as a property owner understand that you've got the National Flood Insurance Program and private flood insurance out there as a resource. So maybe you've only been given one option, unless you have something like an FHA loan, where private flood insurance really is not a resource right now. Other than that, though, it should be a resource for you. So make sure that you're checking all of your options, because remember, almost 30% of flood insurance claims occur in flood zone X. So getting this flood insurance in place is very important. If you've got questions about this, understanding your risk, what does your flood zone actually mean? Click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this right here. Your flood insurance and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.